It's that time of the year again, and let's go for a flower tour in the neighborhood.
Spring settled firmly back home. For several nights I could not sleep.
Hi guys,
alone.
where are you heading?
For several days I thought I could write down part of what I lost.
It's nice to be a pigeon sometimes.
In the town, but I did not. And I could.
Wow, this looks like a carpet of cherry petals.
Then one day I went searching for the man, the one who's known to be given out his.
Did you see the petals falling down? It's like a dream. I could just stand here and look at it forever.
The thing that would lead me safely back home, but I did not.
The school is opened.
And I could not.
Some pear flowers. A few days ago they weren't here, and now they're all blossoming. So pretty.
I could not.
I really like this flower, and I actually did a painting of it 2 years ago. Some more flowers. Looks like they are newly planted Pansy, I believe. Look at how huge this tree is and how many flowers it has. This is a very ordinary little park for most part of the year at least. But now it's so gorgeous. It looks like heaven.
That I would do something, and I've got years, but I didn't.
I wish I could take some and put it in a vase.
I could not, and I did not, and I could not.
Don't you think they look like marshmallow? Time for shopping. Some vegetables and my favorite flower section. So many things to carry. Breakfast time. Again, my classic flat white and croissant, but today it's almond milk flat white. And this is a flower I picked. It's a carnation in a very pretty blush color, and there are so many of them. I estimate it has about 100 stems, including the open and unopened ones. So this could last quite a while. I took a few short ones out and then put it in a milk tea bottle. Hi Pinka! That's the dry flour we made last time. Pan-fried salmon. Flip to the other side. Cook for 5 minutes. And put it in the plate. asparagus on the side. Heat the pan without adding anything in. Throw in the olive oil. Lemongrass. And that's my dinner. It's super easy and so delicious, especially the asparagus. It takes less than 2 minutes. Thanks for watching and give it a try.